Hello everyone, welcome back to Quantum Trader. Today we're trading on the first bot level. Let's see how well it performs. Alright, let's get started. To receive a signal, we first need to choose a currency pair. The currency pair is selected. Now we wait for the signal. Opening a short trade. The market is trending and momentum shows a moderate upward move, but this could be a trap. The moving average is flat, which means bulls don't have a clear direction and are just pushing price by inertia. The alligator is likely starting to close its lines, the jaw tightening before a potential move downward. Seller pressure is low and resistance is weak, which might seem unusual for a short, but in reality it suggests that even with little resistance, bulls still can't break higher. That's a sign of weakness. The bot enters short on this signal. Stop is placed above the nearest local high. Great, the trade closed in profit.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
Moving on. Opening a long here would be risky. The market is in consolidation, but momentum shows a moderate downward trend, meaning sellers still have control even in sideways movement. The alligator has already turned downward. Its lines are spreading and price is moving below them like a float about to sink. Seller pressure is clearly strong and resistance above keeps getting reinforced with each touch. Going long in this situation is like swimming against a strong current. Possible, but not wise. Better to skip and wait for a clearer setup. And unfortunately, this one is a loss.
You're broke! You're poor!
But that's part of the game. Let's switch the currency pair. Opening a long trade. The market is in consolidation, but the moving average has already turned upward. The first sign that bulls are starting to take control. The alligator is still tangled, but price is approaching from below and looks ready to break above. A lower fractal confirms local support, and strong buyer pressure shows that the market is leaning bullish. Yes, momentum still shows a moderate downward trend, but this could be the last breath of the bears before a reversal. The bot enters long with a stop below the recent low. The trade closed in profit.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Let's move on to the next signal. Opening another long trade. Price is confidently holding above the alligator lines, a clear early sign of an upward trend. A lower fractal confirms the local bottom, and the alligator is just starting to open its jaw, meaning the move is gaining momentum. The market is trending. Momentum shows a moderate upward move. Buyer pressure is high, and resistance is weak. Nothing is stopping bulls from pushing price higher. The bot enters with the trend. Stop is placed below the nearest alligator line. Great result. The first bot level performed well. See you next time, friends.